here we have our lovely Toyota CHR. This is our Icon model in our pure white. 17-inch alloy wheels, LED daytime running lights, and our wraparound rear lights with our matching rear spoiler as well. And through the back seat, you've got this nice diamond shaped pattern on your seats with loads of room there as well. So here we have our 8-inch touchscreen that we have in the front with everything that you may need. Now I have plugged my phone in with our Apple CarPlay. So you have your Spotify in there as well, so you can access everything through that, all your music. You do have your Google Maps there, as you can use as a sat-nav, and you'll always be able to find your way home, which is nice and handy. You can access all your calls, all your apps through it as well. And then that is the main display, which I quite like too. Moving on down, we've got our dual side aircon. And you can hear the engine starting up, as this is our hybrid, so it was on our electric originally. You have everything there that you may need. The likes of your aircon, front demister, and your heated rear windscreen and your heated wing mirrors as well. As I mentioned before, this is one of our hybrid vehicles, so it is an automatic with an automatic handbrake. All you have to do is foot on the brake, down into drive, and your handbrake comes off, up into reverse, and your handbrake will come off again with your reversing camera on the rear. All controls on the steering wheel, and our adaptive cruise control just underneath at your fingertips. Automatic headlights in full beam. But most importantly, the car does have our pre-collision system. If it does think you're going to be in an accident, if you don't react in time, it will place the brakes on for you. It has your road sign assist to tell you what speed you should be doing. And it has your lane departure alert with your lane guide assist that will guide you back in if you drift over the line. So it's there to keep you safe as well.